Welcome to the video on AI Care Companion app, a multi-agent offline clinic. We are bringing 46 AI medical specialists to every smartphone, anywhere. Developed by Narendra and Devendra. Globally, over 400 million people lack access to basic healthcare, leading to a health crisis. Challenges include long specialist wait times, connectivity barriers, generic advice, high costs, and privacy risks. The core of our platform is intelligent triage, routing user queries to one of 46 distinct AI agents using an orchestrator. We offer context-aware profiles, visual AI analytics for real-time diagnostics, and voice-enabled, multilingual support. The AI Care Companion acts as an offline clinic, offering localized care. It provides a comprehensive drug search, operates on an offline-first architecture for consultations without internet, and includes a locator to bridge the gap to nearby physical care. We offer 46 AI specialists right in your pocket. This complete healthcare ecosystem is scalable, private, and endlessly intelligent, covering a wide range of medical specialties. The AI Care Companion represents the future of healthcare, built with Google AI and powered by the Gemma 4 multi-agent engine. It's an offline-first and voice-enabled solution, ready to democratize global healthcare access. Let's see the actual demo project. AI Care Companion is your personal health guide, powered entirely by state-of-the-art Google AI. Signing in unlocks a secure, private environment where your health data always remains completely under your control. True privacy means operating locally. Chat, analyze, and consult without ever needing an internet connection, ensuring your sensitive health information never leaves your phone. Understanding your medical paperwork shouldn't be stressful. Simply snap a photo of your lab reports, and our specialized clinical pathology agents will translate dense medical jargon into clear, actionable, and easy-to-read insights within seconds. From blood markers to skin health, the app uses multimodal visual analysis to evaluate dermatological concerns. By checking key indicators like structural asymmetry and borders, it safely guides you on what to monitor and protects you from hazardous home remedies. Need immediate guidance? Speak or type in your native language. Our intelligent triage agents instantly structure your symptoms, evaluate severity, and highlight vital warning signs to ensure you always know your next best step. When it's time to see your practitioner, bridge the gap with automated clinical summaries. Generate a professional health report summarizing your conversations and data, ready to share directly with your family doctor. Eye Care Companion is a complete health ecosystem. Track your tailored recovery plans, look up drug instructions, find affordable generic alternatives, and locate nearby medical centers instantly. You can even customize your core engine by switching between a variety of advanced on-cloud and on-device AI models. Expert guidance, local privacy, and total clarity. Disclaimer: AI guidance only. Always consult a licensed physician for personalized medical advice.